Yes, good afternoon. So now we will go back to the possible crimes that will happen on a certain place. So obviously, for lawyers, uh, judges, justices, they all know what already the possible crimes. So here, this is a city, Ormoc City, Leyte. So we are in the middle of the city. So here we have bank, we have Metro Bank. So the possible crimes involving banks will be robbery, theft, uh, violating of bank secrecy law, AMLA, among others. So then we have the Macy Street. We have these people. So there can be uh, carnapping because there are cars. There will be also possible crimes, snatching, petty crimes. Uh, then obviously we have jaywalking. So there, so jaywalking because here, uh, what are other possible crimes in the city? So obviously, uh, uh, we have already the snatching, drug pushing or drug uh, illegal use of drugs. So of dangerous drugs. So it is possible also because this is city. So we cannot say that all of the people in the back or in the far back are not using illegal drugs. So that's a common crime. Uh, we can have also here stabbing, uh, physical injuries. Oh yes. This one we have the in Manila or the Sitom Blue Boys. So that's ordinances, that's only fines. So that's crimes, but it will not reach to the RTC or the FTC. So uh, that's just petty crimes, citations or revoking of a license plate, uh, among others, violating traffic rules. So that's a possible crimes also. So here, this is city. We can see there. So this is Ormoc. The prostitution here is very slight, considering that the people are not too beautiful. The beautiful faces here are monopolized. Only few people are beautiful here. So in Cebu, there are a lot of prostitution in Cebu, but here, this is far-flung city. So it's, but we don't know. We didn't. I didn't see the internal of the city. but per se, along the roads everywhere, you cannot see house of ill reputes. So now we have here okay, that's possible crimes of painting. So that's possible crimes also for pinching. Uh, then uh, what else? What are the other possible crimes? So I think that's the most common and possible crimes that will possibly happen in streets or cities like this. So, okay. So, good day. God bless. And have a nice Christmas. Thank you very much.